ElanEtoile. I care deeply about the future of fashion and the planet. The fashion industry has a significant impact on the environment, and it's crucial that we take steps to minimize this impact. By making conscious choices, we can create a more sustainable and eco-friendly wardrobe that not only looks good, but also feels good. I believe fashion can be both stylish and eco-friendly. It's a common misconception that sustainable fashion means compromising on style. In reality, there are countless brands and designers who are creating beautiful, trendy pieces that are also kind to the environment. You don't have to sacrifice your personal style to make eco-friendly choices. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a sustainable wardrobe easily. It's all about making mindful decisions and being aware of the impact our clothing choices have on the planet. With a few simple steps, you can transform your wardrobe into one that is both stylish and sustainable. Step 1. Choose quality over quantity. In a world where fast fashion dominates, it's easy to get caught up in the cycle of buying cheap, trendy items that quickly fall apart. Instead, focus on investing in high-quality pieces that will last for years. By investing in durable pieces made from sustainable fabrics like organic cotton, linen, or recycled materials, you not only reduce waste, but also make your wardrobe more eco-friendly. These materials are often produced with less water, fewer chemicals, and more ethical labor practices, making them a better choice for the planet and the people who make our clothes. Think about it. Less is more when it comes to sustainability. A minimalist approach to fashion means having fewer items in your wardrobe, but each piece is carefully chosen and cherished. This not only reduces the environmental impact of your clothing, but also makes getting dressed each day simpler and more enjoyable. Step 2. Thrift or shop vintage. One of the best ways to build a sustainable wardrobe is to buy secondhand. Thrifting and shopping vintage are not only trendy, but also reduce the need for new clothing production, which is a major contributor to environmental degradation. This is not only trendy, but also reduces the need for new clothing production. When you buy secondhand, you're giving clothes a second life and keeping them out of landfills. Plus, vintage and thrifted items often have a unique charm and character that you won't find in new clothes. When you give garments a second life through swapping clothes or shopping secondhand, you're making a huge impact. Clothes swapping events and secondhand markets are great places to find unique pieces and connect with others who share your commitment to sustainability. Plus, you get to own unique pieces with history and character. Each vintage or thrifted item has its own story, and by wearing them, you become a part of that story. It's a wonderful way to express your individuality and make a statement about your values. Step 3. Take care of what you own. One of the simplest ways to make your wardrobe more sustainable is to take good care of the clothes you already have. This means washing them less frequently, repairing them when they get damaged, and storing them properly. Overwashing and ignoring repairs can shorten the life of your clothes. Washing clothes too often can cause them to wear out more quickly, and small damages can turn into big problems if they're not addressed promptly. By taking the time to care for your clothes, you can extend their lifespan and reduce the need to buy new items. Wash less and repair when needed to extend their lifespan. It's amazing how a little care can go a long way in preserving your favorite items. Simple actions like sewing on a missing button or patching a small hole can make a big difference in how long your clothes last. Creating a sustainable wardrobe isn't just about style, it's about making a positive impact. Every choice you make, from the fabrics you choose to the way you care for your clothes, has an impact on the environment. By being mindful of these choices, you can help reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. By following these simple steps, you can wear fashion with purpose. Sustainable fashion is about more than just looking good. It's about feeling good, knowing that your choices are making a difference. When you wear eco-friendly clothing, you can take pride in knowing that you're supporting a more sustainable and ethical fashion industry. Remember, every small step counts towards a greener future. Building a sustainable wardrobe is a journey, and every little change you make adds up. Whether it's choosing to buy secondhand, investing in high-quality pieces, or taking better care of your clothes, each step brings us closer to a more sustainable world. Thanks for watching, and let's make fashion sustainable together. By working together and making conscious choices, we can create a fashion industry that is kinder to the planet and to the people who make our clothes. Let's embrace sustainable fashion and make a positive impact, one wardrobe at a time.